Hello everyone. In this video, we will go over the key differences between a traditional hard disk drive, also known as an HDD, and a solid-state drive, known as an SSD. Hard disk drives. A hard disk drive, or HDD, stores data on quickly rotating magnetic disks. An HDD uses a mechanical arm with a read-write head to access data on the rotating disks. This gives HDDs large capacities and low cost per gigabyte. However, they have moving parts which make them less durable. The physical disks also limit the maximum speed of HDDs. Solid-state drives. A solid-state drive, or SSD, stores data in flash memory chips. Without any moving parts, SSDs are more durable and shock-resistant. SSDs also provide much faster access to data and have lower latencies. However, SSDs typically offer less storage capacity and have a higher cost per gigabyte compared to HDDs. Differences. To summarize, HDDs are cheaper per gigabyte of storage, while SSDs are faster, more durable, use less power, and generate less heat. HDDs have higher capacities available. SSDs do not have the mechanical limitations of HDDs, but they may have a limited number of write cycles. The choice often depends on the application and user needs. Tasks that require fast data access and boot times benefit greatly from SSDs. HDDs work well for high-capacity bulk storage needs. For most general computing uses today, an SSD for the operating system and apps, plus an HDD for data storage, gives a good balance of speed and capacity. Conclusion. That covers the main differences between standard hard disk drives and solid-state drives. HDDs are more affordable, but SSDs excel on speed and durability. Consider your own application and needs when choosing between HDD and SSD storage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a like. You have all the links in the description.